it's Megan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this Polaroid display frame. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Megan and I post new affordable and ethical lifestyle videos every Monday and Friday. So please click that subscribe button so we can be pals on here. I do a lot of DIY videos, thrifting videos, upcycling, and reviewing of ethical and cruelty-free brands. So I would love to have you here as a subscriber on my channel. This is definitely the easiest DIY I've ever done on my channel. I think the whole project took me maybe like 15 minutes and all the supplies were under $10. So even if you're a beginning DIYer, this is super cute and you can definitely do this. So I will just get right into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to need to do is buy a large frame. Mine is 16 by 20 and I actually got it from Goodwill. It had this kind of cool vintage looking print in it, but the whole thing was like pretty grandma-y. So I started by turning it over and I just cut the little string that hangs the picture frame up. And then I went through and removed any nails that were keeping the backing attached to the frame itself, and I removed the back part and the glass. After that, I turned it back over and sprayed it with some spray paint. This is my spray paint of choice, although this can majorly malfunctioned on me today and kind of got everywhere. It doesn't normally do that, but it's actually just a black chalk paint that I got at Target. I use this all the time for so many different projects. I think it was like $6. My frame actually has a pretty thick border, so it took a little bit of spray paint, but we got it there, so it's a nice matte black, and then I just left that to dry for about a half an hour. When it was all dry, I flipped it over to the back again and cut 3 strands of twine that were the same width as the picture frame. You could also do this vertical if you wanted to, but horizontal just works better for my space. You can use some hot glue or some super glue to glue one end of the string to one side of the picture frame and the other end to the other side. So pro tip, the top string should be about 1 inch from the top of the frame and the bottom one should be about 2/3 down. I actually had to redo the spacing on mine because this one hung too low the first time I tried. Then all you have to do is get some clothespins and clothespin your favorite Polaroids to your frame and you're all done. See, I told you this DIY was super easy. This is such a great way to display all of those one-of-a-kind memories, and I think it looks so cute in our house. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do end up making this, please tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my little handle right here. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all with my next video on Friday. Bye!